Hi everyone, welcome to Math 150 College Algebra. Today we will learn about linear function and slope. Definition of slope. The slope of the line through the distinct points x sub 1, y sub 1 and x sub 2, y sub 2 is change in y over change in x. Okay? Equal rise over run. Or equal y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, where x sub 2 minus x sub 1 is not equal 0. Okay, so you have to know about this one. Okay, this one, slope, or we can write down m equal. Okay, now example. Find the slope of the line passing through the points 4, -2 and -1, 5. Okay, I put this is x1, y1. Okay, this is x2, this is y2. Okay, so now you just plug in. Okay, m equal y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 equal, replace y2 with 5. Yeah, so 5 minus y1. y1 is -2. So 5 minus -2 over x2 is -1 minus x1 is 4. Okay, so 5 minus -2. Negative times negative become positive. So 5 plus 2 equal 7 over -1 minus 4. The answer is -5. So the answer is -7 over 5. Okay, what's the meaning of -7 over 5? Okay, because -7 over 5, we can write down -7 over 5, or we can write down with 7 over -5. Okay, now look at again. What's the meaning -7 over 5 for the slope? It means because negative going down by 7. Yeah, this is point. So now -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. And go to the right by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the slope like this. Okay. Or we write down is with 7 over -5. It's because positive. So go up by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. -5 is going left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the graph is like this. It's the same, yeah? So you can use -7 over 5, or you can use 7 over -5, or you can use -7 over 5. This is the same. Okay? So now go to the next one. Point slope form of the equation of a line. So the point slope form of the equation of a non-vertical line with slope m that passes through the point x sub 1, y sub 1 is, okay, remember, 1 point, okay, the point slope. This is the point slope form, okay? So y minus y1 equal m times x minus x1. Now, example, writing an equation in point slope form for a line, okay? Write an equation in point slope form for the line with slope 6 that passes through the point 2, -5. Then solve the equation for y. Okay. So now remember about the formula, yeah? So y minus y sub 1 equal m times quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay. This is x1, this is y1. Slope is equal 6. Yeah. So we just replace. So y minus y sub 1 is negative 5. Use the parentheses because negative numbers. You have to be careful. Okay. Equal. The slope is 6 times quantity x minus x1 is 2. Okay. So now we got the answer here. So negative times negative become positive. Yeah. So become y plus 5 equal 6 times quantity x minus 2. After this, use the distributive property. So y plus 5 equals 6 times x becomes 6x. 6 times negative 2 becomes negative 12. Okay, so now 5 move to the right side become negative. So become y equal 6x minus 12 minus 5. So answer become y equal 6x minus 17. Okay, so for y, the equation is y equal 6x minus 17. Now, slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. Okay, the slope-intercept form of the equation of a non-vertical line with slope m and y-intercept b is y equal mx plus b. We're gonna use this one a lot. Okay, this is slope-intercept form. This is slope, this is intercept. That's right. Now, remember about this one. If they ask the question ask about the slope-intercept form, so the answer is y equal mx plus b. So remember this one. Okay. Now, graphing y equal mx plus b using the slope and y-intercept. 1. Point plot the point containing the y-intercept on the y-axis. This is the point 0b. So we have to plot y-intercept first. Okay. 2. Obtain a second point using the slope m. Write m as a fraction and use rise over run starting at the point containing the y-intercept to plot this point. 3. Use a straight edge to draw a line through the 2 points. Draw arrowheads at the ends of the line to show that the line continues indefinitely in both directions. Our example, graphing using the slope and y-intercept. Okay, graph the linear function f of x equal 3/5 x plus 1. Okay, this is slope, so m equal 3/5. The y-intercepts equal 1. Okay, so now first, step 1, plot the point containing the y-intercept on y-axis. So we find y equal 1. Okay, so the y-intercept is 1. Plot the point 0, 1. So we find over here, this is 0, 1, the black thing. Yeah. Now, step 2. Obtain a second point using the slope or m. Write m as a fraction and use rise over run, starting at the point containing the y-intercept to plot this point. So we know the slope is 3/5. Yeah, so it means rise by 3, run by 5. Okay, so rise by 3, run by 5. Okay, the y-intercept is over here, yeah. So it means go up by 3 and to the right by 5. Okay, so we plot the point is 4, 5. So after this, step 3, use a straight edge to draw a line to the 2 points. Draw arrowheads at the ends of the line to show that the line continues indefinitely in both directions. Okay, so after that you just, this is from the y-intercept, yeah, 0, 1, go to 4, 5. Okay, after rise by 3 and run by 5. Okay, so now equation of a horizontal line. A horizontal line is given by an equation of the form y equal b, where b is the y-intercept of the line. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. Just look at again. This is the graph, yeah. The slope is horizontal line like this. Okay, this is horizontal, yeah. So if the line is horizontal, the slope is 0. Okay, if the slope go to the right like this, yeah, it means the slope is positive. If the slope is going to the left like this is the slope become negative. But if slope is horizontal, the slope is equal 0. So now equation of a vertical line. A vertical line is given by an equation of the form x equal a, where a is the x-intercept of the line. The slope of a vertical line is undefined. So if this is yeah, x equal a, like this. For example, this is a, so x equal a is like this, yeah. Okay. It's the slope. We don't have slope for this one because the slope is undefined. Okay, I repeat again, yeah. If the slope like this go to the right, it means the slope is positive. If the slope go to the left, the slope is negative. If the slope horizontal, the slope equal 0. If the slope vertical, the slope is undefined. Okay, you know this one, yeah? So now go to the next one. Example, graphing a horizontal line. Graph y equal 3 in the rectangular coordinate system. Okay, we graph y equal 3 over here, yeah, the red one. Now, general form of the equation of a line. Every line has an equation that can be written in the general form ax plus by plus c equal 0. This is general form, yeah, where a, b, and c are real numbers. A and b are not both 0. So this is general form. So we have 3, yeah, before. Point slope form, yeah, slope intercept form, yeah. So this is the general form. Now, example, find the slope and the y-intercept. Find the slope and the y-intercept of the line whose equation is 3x plus 6y minus 12 equals 0. So, because they ask, but find the slope and y-intercept, so we try to find the slope-intercept form. So, become y equal mx plus b. Because m is slope, right? B is y-intercept. So now we solve this one first. 3x and 3x and 12 move to the right side. Yeah, I erase this again. Okay. So 3x move to the right side become negative. Negative 12 move to the right side become positive. That's right. So the answer become 6y equal negative 3x plus 12. We need y, so we have to divide by 6. Okay, the whole thing divided by 6. 6y over 6 equal negative 3x over 6 plus 12 over 6. So this is cancel, yeah? Become 1. So y equal, simplify, negative, yeah, negative 3x over 6. Simplified. Every number can divide by 3, yeah? 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So the answer for this one, negative a half x. Plus 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, so the slope is, remember that the formula is y equal mx plus b. So the slope is equal negative a half, and the y-intercept is 2. Now using intercept to graph ax plus by plus c equal 0. 1. Find the y-intercepts. Let y equal 0 and solve for x. Okay. After that, plot the point containing the x-intercept on the x-axis. 2. Find the y-intercept. Let x equal 0 and solve for y. Plot the point containing the y-intercepts on the y-axis. 3. Use a tangent to draw a line through the 2 points containing the intercepts. Draw arrowhead at the ends of the line to show that the line continues indefinitely in both directions. Now, graph using intercepts 3x minus 2y minus 6 equal 0. Okay, so remember, try to put y equal, solution to find step 1, Step 1, find the x-intercept. Okay, let y equal 0 and solve for x. Okay, so now 3x minus 2 times 0. Okay, replace y equals 0. For the x-intercept, for here, I just make this the x-intercept, let y equal 0. Okay, so 3x minus 2 times 0 minus 6 equal 0. So this should become 0, yeah? Become 0. So 3x minus 6 equal 0. So move to the right side, become 3x equals 6. We need x, so divide by 3 both sides. So x equal 2. So the x-intercept is 2. So the line passes through 2, 0. Because x2, y is 0. Step 2, find the y-intercept. Let x equal 0. Okay, so be careful, okay? To find the x-intercept, let y equal 0. To find y-intercept, let x equal 0. Okay, so check x equals 0. So 3x minus 2y minus 6 equals 0. 3 times 0 minus 2y minus 6 equals 0. 3 minus 0 is 0. Negative 2y minus 6 equals 0. So move negative 6 to the right side, become positive. So negative 2y equals 6. I need y, so you divide by negative 2, you divide by negative 2. So the answer becomes y equal negative 3. So the y-intercept is negative 3. So the line passes through 0, negative 3. And now, step 3. Graph the equation by drawing a line through the 2 points containing the intercepts. Okay. So now we find the point, yeah. The point is 2, 0, yeah. 2, 0, and the second one is 0, negative 3. So just make a dot in the point and take a line. So we get the answer. Okay, the graph like linear equation, this one. So you can see, yeah, the slope going to the right. That's why the slope become positive. Okay, that's all. We're gonna see again on the next video for some example. See you. Bye bye.